where flipping is more moving at a snail pace. Obviously, there can be larger profits when it comes to flipping houses, but the need for speed with wholesaling. In the game of real estate investing, you want to figure out which strategy is right for you. Now, in its simplest form, flipping houses, as you know, well, we got to physically buy the property using our own cash or someone else's, right? So it costs a lot of upfront money. Cha-ching. At that point, we got to get in the house. We have to hire a construction crew who's going to come in there, tear out all the old stuff, make sure that there's no foundation issues, roof, all the other damages that you're going to have to look into, and you're going to get in there and rehabilitate the house from the ground up. Where wholesaling, in its simplest form, instead of flipping houses, we're actually flipping contracts, right? So the contract stage, if we can negotiate a deal with somebody who wants to sell their property and we can get it at a slight discount. Let's say the house is worth $100,000 and it needs $20,000 worth of work. Well, our goal is to get that contract at 70% of market value minus repairs, right? So to keep the numbers even, $100,000 house, our goal is to get that at $70,000. If that $100,000 house needs $20,000 of repairs, we're also going to subtract $20,000 from that number. So 100K minus 20 at 70%, right? That is a $50,000 acquisition cost. That is our target number. Anywhere 50,000 or below is where we need to be to lock up a contract on a house and for the numbers to actually make sense. Now back to wholesaling versus flipping. Flipping, a lot more risk, a lot more time. Consider buying the house, getting in there, fixing it up, 30 days on a very small cosmetic flip, 60 to 90 on a larger gut job, right? So you're 60 to 90 days in to the point of completion, and then you have to list it on the market. To where wholesaling, in the same time frame that you're waiting for this house to close, if you can take this contract and assign it to a cash buyer for a fee, you can literally close that in 15 to 30 days tops. So wholesaling has a need for speed, where flipping is more moving at a snail pace. Obviously, there can be larger profits when it comes to flipping houses, but the need for speed with wholesaling, you have an opportunity to scale quicker because you're not tied to this asset and you can build your business and expedite the process more and more. So that becomes just a game of marketing and sales, where flipping is a game of construction and contracting. In its simplest form, both strategies work. Both strategies will help you build massive wealth, but at the end of the day, you got to figure out which one is right for you. You guys want to learn more information? Feel free to check out our Discord group where we help real estate investors get in the game and provide predictable systems to help you grow your business with predictability. Look forward to seeing you on the other side.